JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest price anywhere online. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazzTime.com. So today I'm going to be comparing the Rolex Datejust 26 on the left to the Rolex Datejust 31 on the right. Now, both of these models are discontinued and they both have a successor. The Datejust 26 has been succeeded by the Datejust 28, and the Datejust 31 is it still is a Datejust 31. It just has a different reference number and there's some few differences. I'm not going to go into in this video. This one I wanted to show you guys more the difference between these two watches. So the Datejust 26 and the 31, you can obviously see that the size difference, and that's probably the main difference. They both use the same movement, 2235. They both have a precision of ±7 seconds a day. They both have a power reserve of approximately 48 hours, and both of these are in rose gold, and they both use a concealed crown clasp, as you see from the back. So they both have the same style bracelet, although the bracelet, of course, on the 31, as you can see, is a little bit fatter than the one on the 26 for obvious reasons. This one's 26 and this one's 31. But aside from that, they're pretty much very similar. Now, I brought this one specifically because the one on the left, 26, and the one on the right, they have almost the same dial, except one is black MOP, one is white MOP. But aside from that, they're more or less the same. Now, the 26 has been succeeded by the 28, which of course we have it on JazzTime.com. The 31, it has a successor, but it's not that much different. Like the 31 that succeeds this one right here, reference 278271, that being the successor is not so much different from this current 178271. This Datejust 26, on the other hand, the Datejust 28 is quite different in that it's a bit bigger, has slightly different proportions, and a few other things. Okay, anyhow, I wanted you guys to see the difference here. So if you're considering, if you have this Datejust 26 and you're thinking to yourself that you might want a larger one because it's easier to read, or it's more fashionable, or you just don't like having such a small watch, go to JazzTime.com and press the trade button. We can actually trade you this watch for something like this. Of course, you got to pay, but we'll give you a free quote, and it only takes a minute to fill out the form. In fact, the reason I have these two watches here is because the customer before you had traded this watch in for this watch. So we're just doing a little comparison video here for other customers who might want to do the exact same thing. So check us out at JazzTime.com for the lowest price anywhere online, and I hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazzTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.